Hey everybody, Chris here. So I made this impact Agraffe driver, and this is what it looks like. It's an Agraffe tool you'd buy at a piano supply. And then I attached it to a standard, I don't know what you call that thing, attachment that goes into an impact driver. And I just drilled a hole through them and ran a nail through there and put it on an anvil so it can't come back out. And so it's turned out to be a pretty useful tool. Alright, so as you can tell, it easily takes out those agraffes. Alright, thanks for watching.